Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm actually gonna say goodbye to trendline trading strategies for now because I'm looking to begin emerging into the ICT trading strategy. Yeah, so in the meantime I'm working on a trading strategy for the war. It's actually called war strategy, which basically goes around the entire fact that we are currently trading in one of the worst market conditions due to the war. So this trading strategy I will publish soon. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm going to add XAU as a pair on my list because I'm going to change the color of my candlesticks uh, due to the new strategy that I'll be using. So I'll be using black and blue for this theme. So basically what I did is I went to colors on the MetaTrader 5 settings, and I will change most of the colors to blue for the bullish candles, and for the bearish candles, I will change everything to black, including all the other settings, stop loss lines and take profit targets and sell stop and sell limit, and all those lines will be black because I just want to have two set of colors on my charts. Remember that these settings are actually for a video that I will be publishing throughout the week or during the week that will cover the new strategy that I'm working on. And like I said previously, in the meantime, I will be studying ICT concepts, which I will then implement in my next or upcoming strategies as well. I will not entirely trade ICT because, like I said, I'll be studying it, and as someone who is currently studying, I will actually I will be applying it to my trading to my daily trading activities, and I'll be recording it to show you guys how it's going and so on. Yeah, so basically what I'm now doing is I'm diving into the pre-market open analysis for the weekend. So basically we're looking at gold on the 4-hour chart, and I've just spotted a selling opportunity, which with this I'm basically gonna say that anywhere between 1944 to 1956 we can be looking to sell during the week, starting from Monday or Sunday market open at night. The reason why I'm saying this is because remember that we're still on a downtrend, regardless of whatever is happening that pushed price upwards, and we all know that this was caused due to fundamentals and the calamity that we have in Israel and Gaza. So this bullish rally upwards, leaving or causing a gap down there, is the result of the news release of the war. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is make sure we mark out important levels as usual. Do not change your trading style. Do not do anything. Keep using the same strategy. For as long as it works, you don't have to fix it. Okay. So basically, that's what I did. I marked out my important zones. As you can see at the 1954, 1956, that's basically where I'm gonna be looking to sell the most during the week. But this is only if, when the market opens, price does not gap and bypass that zone, because due to how can I say, due to the impact of the war on Israel and the way it keeps on increasing, the death toll and so on, and the destruction and everything, and the military is investing more on war equipment and so on and so on, military equipment actually. The gold prices, silver prices, and all other metals will increase. Okay, so keep that in mind. When you decide to sell, be mindful that the sales or the bearish opportunities will not be long lasting for gold right now. Okay, and also remember that this war on Israel has a high impact on the US dollar as well, because the United States of America is an ally to Israel. So you have to remember that, and keep that in focus, keep that in mind when conducting your trading activities throughout the week. Okay, so basically, marking out the important highs and lows, or the important support and resistance levels, will give you an insight as to the parameters that you have to set, by which you will be trading. This is what will guide you from market open until the rest of the week. So basically, if price is to break that structure that we have just drawn on the chart, it will hit 1978 before anything else. And right now, the highest ever recorded price on my chart, which is currently visible, it's 2050 basically. So this work can actually push price to that zone. Okay, this can actually make price go to 2050 per gold ounce. So you have to remember that as well. What I'm doing by drawing the equilateral channel, it's just basically for me to have an idea as to where my horizontal support and resistances will lie, basically, because that is exactly how price was moving previously before the war, and price was below the support of the equilateral channel. Okay, so why I'm doing this is because I believe that by if I have some slim chance, price will actually go up and hit the 1978 before actually reacting to any sell opportunities. Okay, so it is very strong right now. Speculation, fundamentals, bullish, 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 bullish. It's very strong. So the market sentiment is very strong on the bullish side. Okay, but should we not break that very important structure of 1978, then we can be looking to sell. Okay, so if you're looking on lower time frames, 1 hour chart, H4, H2, H3, look for sales at the 1956, 1955, but don't hold your trades for too long. Scalp. Okay, and in this series, I've also looked at DXY. DXY is showing me a promising selling opportunity as well at the price of $107 for the dollar index. But like I said previously as well, we have to wait for price to reach that structure. We don't know what happened during the weekend, but after watching this video, you guys can now conduct your own technical analysis and further process your analysis to go in line with what I'm actually showing you. But bear in mind that the strongest trades will be performed by those who are looking at fundamentals. Basically, the most profitable trades for the upcoming weeks until we have less casualties according to the war, only then will price actually be balanced out. So for now, just as Ukraine and Russia were, going on about each other and things were a bit rough out there, the same thing will happen. So before price stabilizes or before price consolidates, we should see it continue to move upwards. So if you're going to look for selling opportunities, bear in mind it's just going to be a hit and run. You trade, make some profit, close your trades, wait for the next opportunities, and basically for every retracement that you get, go bullish, but trade smart. Okay, so I believe at 106 for the DXY, we can actually look for very important candlestick patterns or on smaller time frames like the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, right where price is at right now. And if there are any reversal chart patterns on the lower time frames, then we can actually be looking to sell. If price remains below the 107, we can sell. But if price breaks above 107, then we have to be cautious with the selling idea and wait for price to create further accumulation or distribution in order to perform any other trading activities on both these pairs. Okay, so guys, I would like you to enjoy and like and subscribe to my channel, as the next few days and weeks will be one of the most important, because I'll be trying to publish better quality content and better or more accurate strategies so that you guys are able then to trade. Enjoy.